Welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to find the value of a if roots of this given quadratic equation differ by unity. So from statement we can write that alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Alpha minus beta, alpha is the root, beta is the root, and it differ by unity, so alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Now, standard form of a quadratic equation is given is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with standard form, we can write that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to k. Now we know that sum of roots of a quadratic equation, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a. Insert values of a and b. We can write that alpha plus beta is equal to minus into value of b is minus 5 divided by 1. Value of a is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to negative multiplied with negative will be positive. So we have 5 by 1, and something divided by 1 is equal to itself. So alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we also know that product of roots of a quadratic equation, which will be alpha beta, that is equal to c by a. So insert values a and c. We can write that alpha beta is equal to c is equal to k and a is equal to 1. So something multiplied by 1 is equal to itself. So alpha beta is equal to k. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now we will add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation number 2. So we have alpha minus beta is equal to 1 and alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So minus beta and plus beta will cancel out, and alpha plus alpha is equal to 2 alpha, and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. This 2 will go to division on the right hand side. 2 cancels out with 6, and that is 3. So alpha is equal to 3. Value of alpha is 3. Now take equation number 1 or equation number 2 and insert value of alpha is equal to 3. So we are inserting alpha is equal to 3 in equation number 1. So we have 3 minus beta is equal to 1. This 3 on the right hand side will be minus 3. So we have minus beta, and 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus cancels out with minus, and beta is equal to 2. Now we will insert alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2 in equation number 3. Insert alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2 in equation number 3. So equation 3 implies that alpha 3 beta 2 is equal to k. So 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. rearrange the equation. So we can write that k is equal to 6. So the required value of k is 6. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.